Did you know that a single serving of chia seeds can hold you over for hours? These tiny seeds are like the superheroes of the food world, ready to save your weight loss journey one meal at a time. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which is about a third of the daily recommended intake for adults. That's like having a fiber party in your stomach. This means they keep you feeling full and satisfied. The high fiber content helps to slow down digestion, making you feel fuller for longer periods. It's like having a tiny bouncer in your stomach, keeping hunger at bay. That's a powerful tool when you're trying to lose weight. By curbing your appetite, chia seeds can help you reduce your overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. Think of them as your personal diet sidekick. Chia seeds may be small, but their impact on your weight loss journey can be huge. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. It's like getting a 2-for-1 deal at the health store. Many people struggle with constant cravings and overeating. This is often due to a lack of fiber and protein in their diet. It's like your stomach is throwing a tantrum because it didn't get its fiber fix. Chia seeds offer a natural solution. When mixed with liquid, they expand and form a gel-like substance which can help to curb your appetite and reduce cravings. It's like magic, but without the wand. They can help you manage those cravings. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can make a significant difference in how you feel throughout the day. It's like having a tiny cheerleader in your stomach, rooting for you to make healthy choices. This makes it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious meals that support your weight loss goals. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but healthier. These incredible seeds have been used for centuries. The ancient Aztecs and Mayans valued chia seeds for their ability to provide sustainable energy. They were the original energy bars. Ancient cultures recognized their power. They used chia seeds as a staple in their diet and even as currency due to their high value. Imagine paying for your groceries with a handful of chia seeds. Today, we are rediscovering the amazing benefits of chia seeds for weight loss. By incorporating them into our modern diets, we can take advantage of their incredible nutritional profile and support our health and wellness goals. It's like finding a treasure chest in your pantry. Let's talk about chia seed water. No, it's not a magic potion from Hogwarts. It's a simple yet effective way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. And no, you won't turn into a chia pet. You simply add chia seeds to water. It's like a science experiment, but tastier. Let them soak and you've got a refreshing and filling drink. Think of it as nature's boba tea. Chia seed water is gaining popularity in the weight loss community. It's the new kale, but less controversial. People are seeing real results. And no, they didn't Photoshop those abs. They are sharing their success stories. Because who doesn't love a good humble brag? This natural approach to weight loss is making waves. Move over avocado toast. The beauty of chia seed water is its simplicity. It's easy to make. Even your cat could do it. You can take it with you on the go. Because who has time to sit still these days? Plus, it's a delicious way to boost your water intake and impress your friends with your healthy habits. Traditional diets often set us up for failure. It's like trying to win a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. They restrict calories too drastically. You might as well be eating air. They cut out entire food groups. Goodbye, pizza. We had a good run. This leaves us feeling deprived, like a kid in a candy store with no allowance. Our bodies are not designed for deprivation. We're not camels after all. When we restrict too much, our metabolism slows down. It's like our bodies hit the snooze button. Our bodies go into survival mode. Think of it as your body's way of saying, "Not today, diet." We hold on to every calorie, like a squirrel hoarding nuts for winter. This is why so many people struggle with yo-yo dieting. They lose weight initially. Hooray! But then they gain it all back. It's a frustrating cycle, like a bad sequel to a movie you didn't like in the first place. Chia seeds are like the superheroes of the food world. They are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Think of them as tiny, edible avengers. These nutrients team up to support your weight loss goals. No capes required. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It's like your personal bodyguard. It helps you feel full and satisfied. And it keeps your digestion running smoother than a well-oiled machine. It even helps stabilize blood sugar levels. No more sugar roller coasters. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. Think of it as the construction crew for your body. It also helps keep you feeling full and energized, like a battery that never runs out. Chia seeds provide a good plant-based source of protein. Perfect for all you plant-powered heroes out there. Healthy fats, like the omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, are important for overall health. They're like the oil that keeps your engine running smoothly. They support brain function, heart health, and even help reduce inflammation. Basically, they're the peacekeepers of your body. Section 5. Sarah's story. Finding freedom and confidence with chia seed water. Meet Sarah, a busy mum of 2 who struggled with her weight for years. Between managing her household and taking care of her children, finding time for herself was like finding a unicorn. She tried countless diets, but nothing seemed to stick. From low-carb to intermittent fasting, Sarah felt like she had tried it all. She even considered a diet of just air, but that didn't seem sustainable. She felt frustrated and hopeless. Each failed attempt left her feeling more defeated, like a deflated balloon at a birthday party. Then Sarah discovered chia seed water. Intrigued by its simplicity and potential benefits, she decided to give it a try. After all, if tiny seeds could grow into plants, maybe they could help her grow into her genes. She started incorporating it into her daily routine. Every morning she would prepare a glass of chia seed water to kickstart her day. It was like her new morning ritual, minus the chanting. She was amazed by the results. Not only did she start losing weight, but she also noticed a significant improvement in her overall well-being. It was like she found the magic beans, but without the giant beanstalk. The extra fiber kept her feeling full between meals. She had more energy. Sarah found herself more active and engaged with her children, who were thrilled to have their mum back from the land of perpetual diets. She was finally losing weight without feeling deprived. The small change of adding chia seed water made a big difference. It was like finding the cheat code to the game of weight loss. Chia seed water has been a game changer for me, Sarah shares. She often talks about it with friends and family, encouraging them to try it too. She's become the chia seed water evangelist of her neighborhood. It's helped me take control of my cravings and finally lose the weight I've been struggling with for years. Sarah feels empowered by her newfound control over her diet. She even jokes that she's now the boss of her cravings. I feel healthier and more confident than ever. With chia seed water, Sarah has found a simple yet effective way to improve her health and boost her confidence. She now looks in the mirror and says, "You got this." Section 6. Simple steps to success. Making chia seed water. Part of your routine. Incorporating chia seed water into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health and wellness journey. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your hydration and nutrient intake. Plus, it's so easy, even your pet goldfish could do it. Making chia seed water is incredibly easy and requires minimal effort. All you need are chia seeds and water, which are both readily available in most kitchens. No need to summon a wizard or perform a rain dance. Simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a glass of water. You can use either cold or room temperature water, depending on your preference. It's like making a magic potion, but without the eye of Newt. Stir well to ensure the seeds are evenly distributed. Then let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the chia seeds will absorb the water and expand, forming a gel-like consistency that is both unique and beneficial. It's like watching tiny superheroes bulk up. The chia seeds will absorb the water and create a gel-like consistency. This gel is rich in fiber, which can aid in digestion and help you feel fuller for longer periods. Think of it as your stomach's personal bouncer, keeping hunger at bay. To enhance the flavor of your chia seed water, you can add natural ingredients like lemon. Lemon not only adds a refreshing taste, but also provides a boost of vitamin C. It's like giving your drink a zesty high five. Similarly, you can add lime for a tangy twist. Lime is also rich in antioxidants and can help improve your immune system. It's like adding a little zing to your zing. Fresh berries are another excellent option. They add a burst of flavor and are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making your chia seed water even more nutritious. It's like a berry party in your glass. Cucumber slices can also be added for a refreshing and hydrating twist. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them a perfect addition to your chia seed water. It's like giving your drink a spa day. Adding these natural ingredients will make your chia seed water even more refreshing and enjoyable, turning it into a delightful beverage that you can look forward to drinking every day. It's like turning water into a fun, hydrating fiesta. For optimal results, it's recommended to drink chia seed water about 30 minutes before meals. This practice can help you manage your appetite and make healthier food choices. It's like having a secret weapon against snack attacks. Drinking chia seed water before meals will help you feel fuller and prevent overeating. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or improve their overall eating habits. By making chia seed water a part of your daily routine, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits and support your wellness goals. Plus, you'll have a fun new drink to show off to your friends. Section 7. Hydration and weight loss. The powerful connection you can't ignore, or as I like to call it, the H2O moment. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight management. Think of water as your body's personal cheerleader. Water plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including metabolism and fat burning. It's like the secret sauce for your body's BBQ. When you're dehydrated, your body can't function at its best. It's like trying to run a marathon with a hangover. This can lead to a slower metabolism and make it harder to lose weight. And nobody wants a sluggish metabolism, right? Chia seed water is an excellent way to increase your water intake. It's like giving your water a superpower. The chia seeds add volume to the water, making you feel fuller and more satisfied. So drink up and let those chia seeds do their magic. Listen to your body, understanding hunger and cravings, or as I like to call it, the stomach symphony. One of the biggest challenges in weight loss is distinguishing between true hunger and cravings. It's like trying to tell the difference between a cat's meow and a baby's cry at 3 a.m. True hunger is your body's way of signaling that it needs fuel. Think of it as your body's polite way of saying, "Excuse me, but could I have some more, please?" Cravings, on the other hand, are often driven by emotions, boredom, or habits. Basically, it's your brain throwing a tantrum like a toddler in a candy store. Chia seed water can help you better understand your body's signals. It's like giving your stomach a translator. The fiber in chia seeds slows down digestion, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. It's like putting your hunger on a slow-motion setting. This can help you differentiate between true hunger and cravings. So you can finally tell if your stomach is asking for a salad or just a hug. When you do feel hungry, reach for healthy whole foods that will nourish your body and support your weight loss goals. Because let's face it, your body deserves better than a midnight snack of regret. Beyond the scale. Embracing a holistic approach to wellness. And no, it doesn't mean hugging your scale. Remember, true health and wellness go beyond the number on the scale. Unless your scale starts giving compliments, it's about nourishing your body, moving your body, and managing stress. And maybe avoiding that third donut. Incorporate chia seed water into a balanced lifestyle that includes regular exercise, stress management techniques, and adequate sleep. Because even superheroes need their beauty rest. Focus on making sustainable changes that you can maintain over time, like swapping your couch for a yoga mat, occasionally. Join the Chia Seed Revolution. Your journey to a healthier you starts today. And no, you don't need to wear a cape. Chia seeds are more than just a trendy health food. They're like the tiny ninjas of nutrition. They are a powerful tool that can support your weight loss journey and improve your overall health. Think of them as your tiny, edible personal trainers. By incorporating chia seed water into your daily routine, you can experience the benefits of increased fullness, reduced cravings, and improved hydration. Plus, it's a great conversation starter at parties. Remember, consistency is key. Make chia seed water a part of your daily routine and watch as you start to feel healthier, lighter, and more energized. And who knows, you might even develop a chia seed fan club. Share your success inspiring others with your chia seed transformation, and maybe get a few laughs along the way. Have you experienced the transformative power of chia seeds? Or just found yourself with a new favorite drink that looks like a science experiment? Share your story and inspire others to take control of their health. Who knew tiny seeds could pack such a punch? Leave a comment below and tell us about your journey with chia seeds. Did you turn into a chia pet yet? Your story could be the motivation someone needs to make a positive change in their own life, or at least give them a good chuckle. Together we can create a ripple effect of health and wellness, one chia seed at a time. And maybe a few giggles too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.